Across Southern California are coping with some of the damage brought on by El Niño.
Gail Anderson live in Van Nuys at a company that specializes in handling all kinds of disasters, including El Niño. Hey, Gail.
Look at all the goodies here. You mentioned it. Earthquake, we had one yesterday. Fire, El Niño included. Take a look at the damage. A great place to come get some information if you're not sure what to do, if you've suffered some kind of damage at this point, because it's been 3 days. All kinds of things are popular here. Unusual to me, Jeff Edelstein, what you're wearing. You say this is more popular than anything you've sold in 7 years?
Yeah, the raincoats and actually rain suits are probably the most popular things right now. It's finally raining. It's been years.
Look at this. What happened that made people say, now I need to get rain gear?
Yeah. And you see all the flooding out there and mudslides. It's going to happen for the next 3 months or so, so people are actually thinking about, I need to stay dry.
And it's highly reflective.
Highly reflective.
So be seen in the dark if you got a problem.
If you have a car coming at you, they're going to see you.
What happened to your pants? What's going on there?
Yeah, we actually sold out of our pants because it's such a popular item. But
people can order.
Yes, they can.
We're talking about being safe at home in the dark as well as on the road in your car. Flares, people always forget about this. There was a situation this morning where a guy was on the high thing in your hand. Take a look at this.
This is a window breaker seatbelt cutter. Fits on a keychain. And with cars, if they're in about 6 inches to a foot of water, the electronic system can go out.
There's all the high-tech designs on cars now.
Everything's high-tech, so if the electronic system goes out, you can't roll down your windows. You can't unlock the doors. So this is something you could. It has a seatbelt cutter, and then this is a spring-loaded window breaker.
They're wrapping us up, but I want people to see that little thing is sharp. Watch this. In case you got trapped in your car and you couldn't get out, watch this. Holy smokes. How much is that?
That's about $9.
Incredible. All right, again, we're taking your questions. El Niño preps, and at this point, El Niño damage. Carolyn Laguna, she was asking about that sump pump we showed earlier. We'll email you that information in a moment. And there are classes here. There's a class here at the end of this month, free, about disaster preparedness. So you have no excuse not to be ready for the next wave of